Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how to reset screen time password if you forgot it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under the video, be sure to write comments after watching. So, we are going to proceed with our topic. First, you'll need to open the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down. Click on Screen Time. And if you swipe down here and let's say you want to enter some settings, you will definitely be required to keep your screen time password. If you, let's say, did not keep it correctly, then you will be given another opportunity and you will have up to 5 such opportunities. But if, unfortunately, you do not enter the password correctly, then you will need to click on the option called Forgot Password under the password. The next step will take you to a page where you will need to reset your existing password. And so following the instructions will take you a few more steps forward and you'll disable it or reset the password that you have for your screen time. Next, when you reset it, you'll need to set up a new password for the future. And to do that, you'll need to go back to Settings. At the top, click on your Apple profile image. Next, please select the Password and Security option and wait for this feature to load. Next, you will need to click on the Change Password option. And if you have this kind of protection, it will be removed earlier when you reset your password, which was earlier on the screen time. After this time, from 1 minute to 1 hour of waiting, you will see a window where you can enter your new password, then enter it again to confirm. And in this way, friends, you will set yourself a new screen time password. I recommend you in the future to make it easier for you, and so that you may not forget your new password again, write this information perhaps in the notes on your device. Friends, this is how you can reset your screen time password if you forget it. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to the channel. See you soon, friends.